What number is this muna? Ay, oh, what number is this? Tingnan mo muna. Ay, Hera, what number is this? 1. Say 1. 1. Oh, ito. This one. What number is this? 2. What number is this? Look. 2. What number is this? 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. What number is this, Sarah? How about this one? 2. Ano sa 2? 3. How about this one? How about this one? Tingnan mo. Huy, look. 4. Ayan, si Tito Brian. What number is this? 4. Say 4. Say 4. 4. Ayan yung bata. Say hi sa bata. Hi ka sa bata. Hi. Thank you, bata. Thank you. Say I love you. Sorry. Say please ka na lang sa bata. Please ka sa bata. Opa mo yung bata. Flying kiss mo yung bata. Where's your head daw? Sabi ng bata. Where's your nose daw? Sabi ng bata. How about your ears? Where's your ears? Ayun. Where's your mouth? Where's your teeth? How about your tongue? Where's your tongue? Ngayon yung where's your tummy? Tummy, where's your tummy? Ay. Hi ka sa bata. Hi. Tawagin mo yung bata. Hera, tawagin mo yung bata. Ay, galing ng bata. Ay. Hi, bata. Sabi ng bata, ano daw sabi ng cow? Ano daw sabi ng cow? Sabi ng bata, ano daw sabi ng cow?
Moo.
Yung goat daw. Paano sabi ng goat? Sabi ng bata, paano sabi ng goat? Ayun tingnan mo yung bata. Ayun. Ano sabi daw ng goat? Goat. Paano sabi ng goat? Goat. Paano sabi ng goat? Me. Boo. Yung sheep. Paano daw sabi ng sheep?